Are you experiencing issues with your Windows 11 system and need to reset it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Follow these simple steps to reset your Windows 11 PC. First, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on System. Then scroll down till you get Recovery option and click on it. Under Recovery Options section, look for Reset this PC bar and click on Reset PC button next to it. Choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. And that's it. Your Windows 11 PC is now reset and ready to use. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Microsoft support team. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.